children, today we are going to learn class 3rd science lesson number 12 reading. So children, let us open the page number 103. Lesson number 12, air, water and weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. It is a weather. In this lesson we will read and learn about water and water cycle, air in the atmosphere around us, weather and the different seasons. Water. About 2/3 of Earth is covered with the water. Water is found in rivers, seas, oceans, lakes and ponds. P-O-N-D, ponds. Water is also present underground. We use water every day for a lot of activities like drinking, bathing, cooking and cleaning, etc. The main source of water is rain. Rain occurs because of evaporation and condensation of water in nature. Let us read more about evaporation, evaporation, condensation, condensation. Evaporation. Water on a heating change into water vapor. This is called evaporation. The water in rivers, lakes and oceans. The water in rivers, lakes and oceans get heated due to the sun's heat and evaporate into air. There are many factors that affect the evaporation of the water in nature. Sun's heat, surface area and air, etc. Evaporation of water takes place at a faster rate when there is a strong wind. The exposed surface area of water is large. The temperature of the surroundings is high. The air is dry. Water vapor goes in the air and forms clouds. These clouds pass as air. Water vapor also forms frost, fog and snow. Condensation. When water vapor cools down, it changes into drops of water. This is called as a condensation. We can see the condensed water vapor in the different forms. Some of these forms are given below. Rain. The water vapor condenses and falls to the ground as rain in the form of tiny droplets of water. Dewdrops. On a cold morning, water vapor condensed on the surface like plants, leaves and grass. It is known as a dewdrops. Fog, F-O-G, fog. It is not perfume, children, fog. In winter, when it is very cold, water vapor condensed on the dust particle close to the ground and forms fog. Frost. When it is a very cold, the dew of the surface water freezes into tiny white crystals. This is called as a frost.